Unity has been around for a while, and it's often touted as one of the best game engines for developers. But is it really the go-to choice for your next project, or are there hidden pitfalls? Let's dive in. Unity is a powerful game development platform that supports both 2D and 3D games. Right off the bat, one of its standout features is the Asset Store, where developers can buy or sell assets, which can significantly speed up the development process. The user interface is quite intuitive, making it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced functionalities for seasoned developers. Unity scripting is based on C, which is a plus for those familiar with the language, but it might pose a learning curve for newcomers. The engine also boasts impressive cross-platform capabilities, allowing you to deploy games on various devices from mobile to consoles. However, while the core functionality is solid, some users have pointed out that the documentation can sometimes lack depth, leaving you to sift through forums for answers. Overall, Unity feels like a robust choice for many developers, but it does have its quirks that you should be aware of. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Unity's flexibility and extensive community support are huge advantages. The Asset Store is a game changer for speeding up development. However, there are some notable drawbacks. The subscription model can be a bit pricey, especially for indie developers or small teams. Additionally, some users report performance issues with larger projects, which can be frustrating. The learning curve for advanced features may also deter some newcomers who are looking for a straightforward start. It's worth noting that while Unity is fantastic for 2D and 3D games, it may not be the best fit for every project, particularly if you're focused on hyper-realistic graphics. In summary, while Unity has a lot to offer, it's essential to consider your specific needs and budget before diving in. In conclusion, Unity is a solid option for developers looking to create a wide range of games, especially if you value community support and asset availability. However, if budget constraints or performance issues are a concern, it might be worth exploring alternatives. Overall, it's a worthwhile tool to consider, but weigh your options carefully.